Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to schedule Google Form links on Google Chat. So here I am an HR manager and in this case I want every day a daily work report submission reminder should be sent to my team on Google Chat on a specific time along with the form link. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be scheduled by Pabbly and our action application will be Google Chat. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to schedule your Google Form links to Google Chat automatically. So in this case, I want every day on a specific time, a daily work report reminder should be sent to my team on Google Chat. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to select Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as schedule Google Form links on Google Chat. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name schedule Google Form links on Google Chat. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here our trigger application will be scheduled by Pabbly. And after selecting the trigger application, you can see the first question asked is how often you want to run your workflow. So you can schedule your workflows for dates of the month, days of the week, every day, once or at regular intervals. So in this case, I want to schedule my workflow for every day. So here I'm going to select every day. And now after selecting the schedule type, here it is asking me to select the time. So in this case, I want every day at 5:45 p.m. a daily work report submission reminder should be sent to my team on my Google Chat. So here I'm going to select the time as 5:45 p.m. And after selecting the time, here I'm going to click on this save. So here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added our schedule. So now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as Google Chat and my action event as create a custom card message. And now to connect my Google Chat with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. And here you can see after building a successful connection, here it is asking for chat webhook URL, header title, header subtitle, header image URL, header image type, text and custom section. So let's begin setting up our action. So here for the chat webhook URL, in instruction it says enter your Google Chat room webhook URL here. You will able to register the webhook only if you have a Google Workspace account. So here by clicking on learn more, it will take you to the forum window and here you can see all the steps to get the webhook URL. So now let's follow all these steps by going to my Google Chat. So this is the workspace where I want a daily work report reminder should be sent to my team. So for receiving the webhook URL, here I'm going to click on this drop down arrow and from here I'm going to select apps and integration. Now under apps and integration, here I'm going to click on this add webhooks and here I'm going to give a name to my webhook, that is reminder, and then I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we have successfully created a webhook with the name reminder. So here I'm going to copy this webhook back to our Pabbly window and here I'm going to enter the chat webhook URL. Now after entering the webhook URL, moving forward, and here it is asking for header title. So here for the header title, I'm going to add header title as daily work report reminder. And after adding the header title, moving forward, here for the header subtitle, I'm going to leave it blank as it is not a required field. Moving forward, Again, header image URL is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add any image, then you can do it as per your need. Moving forward, and now here for the text, I'm going to enter the text. So this is the text I want to send, which says, please ensure to submit the work report using the provided form link below. And now here for the custom section, I'm going to enter the code similar as the instruction given below. So here I've entered the custom section, and if you want to learn how to enter this custom section or you want to do any other changes, then you can click on this link keyword and it will take you to the instructions window where you can learn all the instructions to enter the custom section. Now moving back to Pabbly window, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see I have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Google chat. And here you can see we have received successful reminder in our workspace with the heading daily work report reminder and a text which says please ensure to submit the work report using the provided form link below. And also we have received the form link which has this open form button. So here I'm going to click on this button. And here you can see it has taken to the form which I have created with the name report submission form, where I have to give the full name, department and a brief summary of my work activities today. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger application as scheduled by Pabbly and an action application as Google Chat Hangout. So that every day on a specific time, a daily work report submission reminder should be sent to my team on Google Chat along with the form link. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.